never to retreat, never to surrender, taught that death in the battlefield is the greatest glory you could achieve in life. Spartans, the finest soldiers the world has ever known.
Be afraid! Sparta will burn to the ground! The 1,000 nations of the Persian Empire descend upon you!
Must a king give up his faith as well?
Instead, ask yourself, what should a free man do?
Sweating my people with slavery and death. This is madness! Madness. This is Sparta!
We will stand and fight! A new age has begun. An age of freedom! And all know that 300 Spartans give their last breath to defend it! Spartans! Tonight we dine in hell! Give us nothing, but take from them everything!